Hello friends, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. I continue a series of short videos for beginners where I tell the basic moment in Cricut design space. Today I will tell you how to work and when you can use the group and attach buttons. Also I will explain difference between them. The group function in the Layers panel allows you to group multiple layers, images or text together. If we click on Group, it will be 3 different objects. Also, Group function allows us move and size our objects together on the canvas. Group tool keeps things together on our canvas, but doesn't keep placement when cutting. I will show how it looks. All our objects are located on different mats depending on the color. Now I will show attach function. Here you can see 2 objects, ring and text. First we will do group and then we will check how it will look on cutting mat. You can see that our objects located separately. Now I will select and ungroup my objects. I will do attach. And now we will compare how it looks on a mat. You can see that our objects put together. You have to remember that the group holds the objects together on the canvas and the attach on the cutting mat. In my next video I will explain how the slice function works and where in my project I use it. Subscribe to my channel, don't miss new video.